So guys, quick summary of Python. So for example, this is single line comment in Python. This is multi-line comment in Python. Okay. Now if you want to create some variable, a is equals to like exotic take, you can print it out. A stop. Let me compile it. So I got the exotic tag. So there are two ways to compile. Either you can click it, run, or you can directly click, press it here. Okay, or you can also run from here. It depends what you choose. Okay, so furthermore, we learn about how we can play with the strings. For example, I want to store a variable like for multi-line string characters. You can also do this like hello world. Now it's better to rename it something different. Print b. Let me compile it. Okay, and also we saw this. Now it's time for the list. How lists are working. For example, I created some list which has exotic tag. Print list. This is how you work with the list in Python. Now you can loop over the list. You can do many things to loop over the list. Just say items in list, and you have to just print it out, the items inside the list. Similarly, you got the exotic tag. Because I should use a comma here, I want to input many items inside. You can input as many items you want. Okay, so now the list has two items, exotic and tag, and I loop over those two items. Now similarly, you can create a set or tuples. For example, I want to create a tuple. I just want to waste the time. You can just write tuple, and for the tuple, don't forget you have to use this bracket. Now items in my tuple, and I want to compile it. Look, I got the exotic tag again. So this is how you create the tuple. You can also work with the set. As I told you, set just return the unique value like 1000. Print set. Let's see the output. So this is how you can define the set. You can also work with the dictionary. For example, I want to create a dictionary which has some value like for example, I want to create a like exotic colon tag. So this is how you define the key value in dictionary. Furthermore, to access anything, you can simply write like this: dictionary bracket. Now you have to enter the selected key exotic. Now just print it out. Now you will get the tag in the output. So this is how you create the dictionary in Python. Furthermore, we can also do, you can loop items in maybe some range like 0 colon 5. Okay, then print some values like items. If you notice clearly, you are getting some error here. So the reason behind this error is we have to use some comma instead of colon. We only use colon in the dictionary. Okay, so we got the items. Furthermore, we can also create some loop, maybe while loop. For the while loop, first I have to declare the d is equal to 7 while d is greater than 7. Print something like print hello. This is how you can use the while loop, and some condition. Of course, if you can want to put something, you can put some condition here as well. Okay, so this is the way you can use the while loop. Furthermore, you can also work with the classes. For example, I want to create a class called animal colon. Now I want to create a constructor def. So sometimes in itself. Now I want to print something like parent. This is my parent. Okay, now I can create an object like t is equals to animal print it. So this is how you can create animal class in Python. If you want to create and use the concept of inheritance, you can also do this. Let me copy this whole syntax. Control C, Control V. Now I want to create a inheritance concept. Let me copy this one as well. So I want to create like a cat. Cat is the child of animal. Now I also have to use the constructor. Not constructor, I have to use the super keyword. So for the super keyword, it's always recommended to use it within the constructor. Okay, so now I can use the super like this dot init. So this is how you now cat can access the animal which is the parent, and you can print out now this is child. Okay, so C is equals to now you can use the cat instead of animal. So this is how you can do the inheritance in Python. Furthermore, if you want to play with some package, you can simply import some math. Math is my package name, and with this you can do some basic mathematics. For example, you want to print out something. Let me print math dot style. for example 5.5, it will be rounded off as 6. So this is how you can use imports on packages in Python. Furthermore, what you can do, you can define your own functions. For example, happy tag, this is your function in Python. Now within the function you can print out something, for example solid egg. Now this function is created. Wherever you want to use the constructor, just copy this value, paste it, and then print it out. That's it. This is how you can create the function and then use it. Furthermore, to take input from user, like for example name is equals to input and enter your name. Furthermore, you can use escape characters for new line, then just print it out name. It will be displayed in the console window. So this is how you can take the user input from the user. Yeah. Also, you can use the if else in Python. For example, I create if 10 is equals to 10, then what it will do, it will print true. Okay, so this is how you use the if condition in Python. Furthermore, if you want to see something detailed, then just visit my channel. You will find plenty of resources over there. Also, now we cover up many basic concepts in Python. Furthermore, we also discuss some basic data structures and object-oriented programming concept in Python. Okay, so guys, I don't want to make this video longer, so thank you for your time. I hope this one video cover up many concepts in Python. Thank you. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe button.